This is the time to get our guest messages. At first, I would request Mr. Vijaykanth to address our students.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Ravikant Garu. A very good morning to all the respected teachers, Sri K. Nageswara Garu, Ravikant sir, and Hari Garu, and all my dear friends, youth, students of RK Separation Institute, Vijayawada. So, my topic today is role of technology in building a nation. So let's consider our nation first, as it is our Independence Day, 75th Independence Day. I would like to discuss some highlights of role of technology in building this modern India. So as we all know, India is now celebrating 75th Independence Day, and coming to technology, we have explored many frontiers like space, all research, medical, IT, and now I would like to specifically speak about IT, information technology. So, as you already know, I'm working as a technology lead in Infosys. So, I would like to say something about my organization, Infosys, how it participated in nation building and using technology to offer better governance in India. So, as you all know, technology is like a weapon, and it all depends on the way we use it. Coming to good governance, as we all know, recently we came across many changes in economy, like Aadhaar card was introduced in, and every citizen was identified and enrolled. And using that Aadhaar card, they started other initiatives like UPI payments, like Unified Identity Payment, where every individual can make payments through their mobiles, like Paytm, PhonePe, and Google Pay. So all these things which came up with the help of Aadhaar card were actually founded by during the regime of Dr. Manmohan Singh as the Prime Minister. He invited Mr. Nandan Nilekani. You may be knowing Nandan Nilekani as one of the co-founders of Infosys. So he happened to be the chairman of Unified Identification Authority of India in 2007, 2009. So when UIAD was formed in 2009, he was appointed as the chairman of this Aadhaar card formation committee by Dr. Manmohan Singh. So he played a significant role in identifying each and every individual based on biometrics, location, address. So all this data was gathered, and it helped in identifying each and every individual. And thereon, based on this Aadhaar card, they started opening various other services. Indian government could streamline many processes like registration of lands, registration of mobile vehicles, even mobile phones, social security, and all other whatever subsidies government give, the Jan Dhan accounts. All these things were enabled by means of just one link, which is called Aadhaar card. So this was the idea and implementation of one of the co-founders of Infosys, Mr. Nandan Nilekani. So Nandan Nilekani was born in 1955 in Bangalore. He graduated from IIT Bombay, and in 1981 he met Mr. Narayana Murthy, and they formed Infosys with the help of 5 members. There are 5 co-founders of Infosys. So in 2002, Nandan Nilekani became the CEO of Infosys. He continued till 2007, and later in 2009, he was invited by Dr. Manmohan Singh to be the chairman of UIDAI. So there he became the chairman of Unified Identification Authority of India, where he helped the initiative for Aadhaar cards. I'm speaking about this guy because he has been the foundation, one of the great pioneers of India's way to adopt technology and make it affordable and make it a means of convenience for all the Indians, be it rich or poor. Everyone is getting benefited by means of this technology, for which now we see that most of the government related activities have become corruption free. Previously, for vehicle registration, for land registration, whatever be anything related to activity, we used to have a lot of problem, which is now resolved because of streamlining and implementing technology using the Aadhaar card and all other facilities, which were actually an idea by Mr. Nandan Nilekani. So in 2009, he became the chairman of UIDAI. Later, he extended his services in reforming the economy. He actually pioneered the way for Unified Payments Gateway, which is nothing but our Paytm. Not just Paytm. Paytm is using the technology, Phone Pay, Google Pay, whatever we are using mobile to make payments, all the technology was enabled by this technology. So he is one of the one of the great co-founders of Infosys, which I, being from Infosys, I'm proud of being a part of such great organization, which is actually leading our India into a way we can use the technology to benefit everyone, including rich and poor, and that's how I feel technology must be used to leverage the advantage and make it available to everybody. Other than that, we have other great people in IT sector who are currently providing great services where India can use technology to make life of everyone convenient. Like in TCS, if we go to any passport service, TCS offers all the services related to enrollment and providing passport. Coming to income tax filing, Infosys provides all the software for everyone to file his income tax. So like this, our IT companies are contributing a lot towards making the life of everyone convenient and use technology for better governance. So apart from that, as our friend Mr. Chinmay said, uh, youth is the key to development. Youth is getting addicted as well as making use of technology for their own development. So there are both the ways. Technology is like a double-edged weapon where it can be made you it can help you overcome many difficulties, and at the same time it creates its own difficulties where we need to overcome. So just as one of the friends said, youth are getting addicted to games and all those things. So that's another thing. It's like a weapon. It depends on the way we use it. We grow. And apart from that, I was impressed by the thoughts of Mr. Chinmaya, who already conveyed most of my thoughts. And so finally, I would like to say that technology plays a great role in empowering a nation, particularly for a developing nation like India. Youth needs to adopt technology, learn, keep updating, and make good use of it so that it helps us. It, it becomes a weapon. It's like a genie in the hands of Aladdin who can make us do anything and achieve anything if we really have great will to achieve. So with these few words, I would like to conclude what I wanted to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay. So you have given me many inputs regarding Infosys company, and of course, Mr. Nandan Nilekar, how he introduced Aadhaar card and how the Aadhaar card is playing a key role in our day-to-day life, and particularly in controlling corruption also. So nice, very good. Happy to know some valuable insights from you. And there in the next session, actually, we get interaction. So I would request you to answer the doubts of our